Hello, I would love to plant some perennials and shrubs in an area by my house that gets a lot of afternoon and evening sun. I want green plants year round. Our soil has quite a bit of something that makes it very hard to dig in. Maybe some clay and of course rocks. Any help would be appreciated. And this is Debbie from Northeast Oklahoma. So I like this question, right?
Yeah.
The soil has a little bit of something in it,
Yes.
but she wants green plants year round, and this is Northeast Oklahoma.
Yes, and
Okay.
you know what? We're going to put a link on for the Oklahoma State University's landscape plants so that she can figure out which ones that are evergreen, because they have all kinds on there.
Okay.
But I know she wants all evergreen, and I know she can mix up a bunch of evergreens, like the dwarf arborvitae, the dwarf junipers, dwarf mugo pine, abelia. But I would suggest throwing in a few that bloom and then are deciduous, like the fothergilla, and maybe some ornamental grasses here and there, just to break up that solid green and to give it some interest.
So you want some interest?
I like some interest.
Instead of the green, are you? Okay.
But it will be mostly green,
Sure.
So the winter, but then it'll have other interest other times of the year.
I got it. Okay. So Ms. Debbie, let's get that soil tested, right? Oklahoma State University Extension.
Yes, it
okay, yeah, go by there. We'll have that publication on our website, and I think she'll be fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.